Good morning, y'all. Domino here. Welcome to the Domino 7 Show Instagram Live. I'm here making hot cakes and stuff like that, you know. So I guess this is done. Okay, this is done. All right, so here we go. All right, come and get it, Brock. I'm about to hand it to you. You can stay right there. There you go. All right, you're welcome. Say thank you. Oh, you about to get your butter knife? You can get your butter knife. All right. All right. Found it? All right. All right, about to fix it. All right, y'all. So, all right, you got your thing. All right, there we go. All right, about to do more. Okay. Here we go. All right, y'all. Making some hot cakes and stuff like that. All right. So here we go. There's more to come. So here we go. All right, y'all. So but we making these hot cakes and stuff like that, you know, early in the morning and stuff like that. But it's not that early in the morning. The Price is Right is on. I'll be right back. I'm about to go check. Let's see. All right, the Price is Right is on commercial break. Okay, so on my YouTube live, if you're watching me on Instagram, this light flicker on and off, you know, and now it did it on my Facebook live. I don't know if it's gonna do it again on my Instagram live, you know. It probably won't, you know, unless I stand corrected, you know, cause there's a problem with this light up here, you know. I don't know why I keep flickering on and off and on and off like that, you know. It was always doing that. It started there like in May, I do believe. I think in May or April or something, you know. I don't recall, you know. Well, I assume May because I was dying eggs and stuff like that. The light that didn't flicker on and off like that, you know. Okay. So doing my hot cake and stuff like that, you know, and stuff like that, yeah. So I wonder what I'm gonna have over here one day. What the heck? My garbage cans is in the middle of the street, y'all. And I stepped out of the shot, y'all. All right, there we go. Okay, by your boy Dominoes, something cooking with soul, frying some hot cakes and stuff like that. Patty cakes, bakers, man. Roll it up, twist it, put it in the pan. Okay? Yeah. So roll it up, twist it, and put it in the pan. Okay? Put it in the skillet. Like my folks said, man, my little baby loves rabbits. Man, my little baby loves rabbits too. Mommy, little baby loves rabbits. Mommy, little baby loves rabbits too. Rabbits. All right, I'm not cooking rabbit stew. I'm making pancakes, not no rabbit stew. Okay. So, Rod, do you want another pancake? Okay, two is enough? Two is enough, he say. Okay? Two is enough, he say. Okay? Alright, so let's check the hot cake right here. Here we go. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Who all love hot cakes? I love pancakes, hot cakes. Pancakes, hot cakes, the same thing, y'all. They both the same thing. Okay? So, once this frying stuff like that, you know? Alright. Yes, indeed, y'all. Okay, here he comes. Well, I thought he was going to come in his kitchen. He went in the bathroom. Bathroom, whatever. However y'all talk, you know. All right, so so y'all watch me flip this, okay? You see that? Every time I flip it, it flops, okay? Every time I flip it, it flops, you know? Okay? And yes, I'm going to try my best to put this on YouTube, you know? If it's on YouTube, then it's already on YouTube. I'll be right back, y'all. Let me go look at this. I hope I ain't let the showcase showdown, y'all. Okay? I hope I didn't miss the showcase showdown. I'll be so mad if I miss the showcase showdown. It's probably a rerun, you know. I think it is a rerun, you know. I remember The Price is Right, Drew Carey's first season, you know. They showed 4 episodes of The Price is Right in one day, you know. If they were going to show them many Price is Rights, I thought they was going to show the Bob Barker era, you know. That's what I thought, you know. And then for season 30, well, wait a minute, when they canceled the Guiding Light, I think they showed Price is Right then. Yeah, for the second time, but when they canceled As the World Turns, you know, they showed Price is Right twice a day, you know. Yeah, you know. And you know that was season 39, y'all. Yep, that was season 39, and that was when J.D. Roberto was the guest announcer, the first guest announcer, you know. Then it was Jeff Davis from Whose Line Is It Anyway, Brad Sherwood of Whose Line Is It Anyway, David Lawrence, George Gray, and then Steve White, you know. You know, at first, you know, the last announcer was David Lawrence with Lanisha Cole, you know. I thought George Gray was going to work with Lanisha Cole for at least one episode. But obviously, George Gray came on after Lanisha was gone, which was a catastrophe, you know. I would say that's a damn shame for them to mess over Lanisha like that, you know. She was my favorite model, okay. I love Lanisha, you know. Lanisha Show is a sweetheart, ladies and gentlemen. She's a really sweetheart, you know. An extreme sweetheart, you know. I spoke to Randy West on Facebook, you know. He said Lanisha's a sweetheart, you know. And I guarantee Jim Thornton would say it too, because Jim Thornton worked with Lanisha on The Price is Right when he auditioned for The Price is Right, and they gave it to Rich Fields, you know. And the good news is, at least Lanisha had a chance to meet Rod Roddy, you know. That was a blessing that she met Rod Roddy. I've always wanted to meet Lanisha, you know. Lanisha's a sweetheart, you know. I had a little crush on Lanisha, okay. I bet some mothers had a crush on Lanisha. It doesn't matter what color somebody is, black, white, Asian, you know. I like Asian girls too, you know. Look Chinese, Japanese, you know, long as they're sweet, you know. They got evil in anybody. Excuse me, let me go see. Oh snap! I missed the showcase showdown, y'all. So if I missed the showcase showdown, I'm not gonna watch the full episode. You know, while I'm cooking his breakfast. Okay. All right. So let's see. Somebody else joined. Hello. All right. So if this video on YouTube, you know. All right. So let's go see. All right. Here we go. There we go. Focus camera. Thank you. All right. All right. So here we go. All right. Gotta put some butter, more butter in this, so the hot cake don't stick, you know. And plus, I gotta write these paragraphs on RTA, you know, because there was a route change here in New Orleans. All right. All right. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, keep watching. Okay. All right, I'm coming, y'all. Here I come. And I'm back. Okay. Okay, so look carefully. Look carefully. All right. Look here. Look there. Okay. All right. So anyway, Latoya, have y'all? I know some of y'all remember Latoya from my video, my past videos. I'm talking to you folks that's watching this video on YouTube. Okay. You know, Toya is kind of crazy. She a crazy chick, you know. I mean, filming herself in her panties or whatever, you know. So it's a shame for me to say this on national TV, you know. And then she'll like stop coming to her live. Let me tell you something. If you don't want nobody coming to your live, don't live stream at all. People gonna watch regardless, you know. Oh boy. Latoya, if you watching me right now, girl, please, okay? You crazy as heck, you know? Alright, so I don't even know if she gonna watch this or what. You know, she can watch this anytime, any day. You heard me? Watch this anytime, any day. She gonna probably call me in a minute, you know. She not watching right now. I don't know when she gonna watch this, you know. Oh, look at this. Fry, baby, fry. It's a shame for me to tell y'all what's happening though. And then Alicia, y'all should know who Alicia is, you know. When I yell at her and fuss with her and all that, she quick to say, "Oh, you hate me." I told her she hate herself, you know. Doing all kind of terrible things, but guess what? You do some terrible things in your life, nobody hates you. You hate yourself, okay? Making some pancakes in the morning and stuff like that. Not drinking rich chocolate Ovaltine yet, you know. And you know, the first time I heard of rich chocolate Ovaltine, I think it was in 1994 and 1995, you know. And I ain't no Ovaltine been out that long, you know. Rich chocolate Ovaltine. Yep. Rich chocolate Ovaltine. Yep. I love rich chocolate Ovaltine. Just like it don't taste like Nestle Quick. All right, so watch me flip this, okay? There we go. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all though. I mean, Latoya, if all I could talk to her and stuff, I'm like, if y'all want nobody watching your live, don't film at all. Okay, don't go live at all. Okay, simple as that, you know. So, at first I was thinking about moving Alicia in my house, letting her come over here and stuff like that. I mean, lie about this and lie about that, enough to get people in trouble and stuff like that. Come on now. I mean, some people lies and cost somebody else's life, you know. Then all of a sudden, then people would definitely hate you. Not by one person. A lot of people are gonna start hating you. Well, she ain't gonna. She probably ain't gonna watch this. You know. If all I could tell her, if she was watching this, I'd say this: you better stop lying a lot. Stop doing all that bad stuff. You know. Cause let me tell you something. You talk about one person hates you and stuff like that, but guess what? You do something to somebody, then the whole world gonna hate you. You know, not just one person. There's gonna be a lot of people in the world that's gonna hate you. You know, do something out of ordinary. You know, she's gonna give people a reason to hate her. You know, it ain't gonna be me. It's gonna be somebody else. You know. Well, I'm almost finished with these pancakes and stuff like that, so I'm about to stop this live stream right now. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. All right. God bless.